Hi, this is the Pixel tab and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings, then tap to the wallpaper and style, click to change wallpaper settings, and we could use photo from our device gallery or to use the default pictures on our device. For example, let's use one from these available icons. So here we could change the position of the icon on the home lock screen. You could see the preview, tap to OK and tap to lock screen. Now just wallpaper set successfully, we could see the message, so let's just check. And we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just first hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to wallpaper and style, and by the same way click to change wallpaper and select one from the wallpapers, lock screen, OK, lock screen, wait a couple of seconds, the message wallpaper set successfully. So that's it. So thank you for watching guys, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.